I'm a freelance broadcaster presenter, and I've come to the London Welbeck Hospital for a little bit of perfecting, if that's the term to use. I'm having a very slight open rhinoplasty, which means that we're just slightly thinning the tip of my nose and slightly just giving me a little bit of a better side profile. I've always been very happy with my nose straight on, but you know, in a day and age where we need everything from all angles, we're slightly perfecting the profile. I chose the London Welbeck Hospital unhesitatingly because they are without doubt the best hospital for these sorts of minor procedures in the United Kingdom. I was very impressed with the quality of the care, the way the staff look after you, the sort of questions they ask you, the way they try and talk you out of it, the way they want to be absolutely sure that it's right for you. This show is going to be performed by Dr. Fallahdar. Dr. Fallahdar is unique, there's no other way of putting it. He tries to talk you out of the operation, which is always a good sign of a good surgeon. You know, there'd be many people out there that just want to take the cash and would do whatever. Dr. Fallahdar would only do certain things. He would only do them if he feels they're right for you and if he feels they're right for him. And that impressed me.
When we are going to reshape his nose, really. He has a little bit prominent nose and we are going to make more in harmony with his face. Normally what we do, we do open rhinoplasty, open his nose, detach skin from the cartilage and bone, reshape his cartilage and his nasal bone and stitch back everything. Takes about an hour and a half, 2 hours, and job is done.
It's been exactly 5 weeks since I went under the knife, and amazingly I feel fantastic. I thought I'd have at least 6 months of sort of hibernation, but no excuses, I'm out and about because, as you can see, I'm pretty much back to normal. I think what's so wonderful about what they did here at the Welbeck is I didn't want people to be able to walk around and think, my God, he's had a rhinoplasty, he's had a nose job. I wanted a subtle change, a little bit of thinning out, and that's exactly what's happened. No one really notices, but I notice. And they've done the most fantastic job, and that's only a good thing. I saw Dr. Fallahdar literally a week after the operation for the great unveiling of the mask, and of course I had this sort of rather strange mask on my face for a week. There's obviously a load of do's and don'ts and things that you have to do afterwards, sleeping on your back in my case, but he's been brilliant. He's sort of guided you absolutely through it all, and when you've had that, obviously you're quite excited to think what's underneath, and Dr. Fallahdar with his assistant sort of pulled the thing off, and it was like this great unmasking. And I couldn't even believe within a week, I still had obviously some bruising under the eye, I couldn't believe how perfect what he did was. It was amazing. I mean, it was like nothing had happened, but something had happened. And I couldn't have wished for a better surgeon.